In this guide, I'll show you how to use Discord voice chat on PS5. So what you want to do is press the PlayStation button on your controller and select Game Base at the bottom. And if you don't see this Discord icon, make sure your PS5 is up to date. Now what you want to do is link your Discord account so you're able to join a Discord voice chat. So go ahead and select that. And the easiest way I recommend you do this to link your Discord is to simply download the Discord app from your phone and scan the QR code when you're signed in. Now, to scan the QR code, you want to select your profile picture in the bottom right corner in the app, and then you want to select the settings cogwheel in the top right corner and scroll down under account settings and select scan QR code, and then you just want to scan the QR code on your screen. Then authorize it and give it a couple seconds on your PS5 to recognize it. Once your account's linked, you'll see all the different servers you're connected to on Discord. So we're going to open up this one here, and then you can select the voice channel you want to join. And we're going to go to join, and it's going to take a few seconds, and then we'll have a couple different options for this chat. So you have audio balance here where you can change it between voice chat or the game audio. And you also have the option to mute all if you'd like. And you have the three dots here where you can customize your voice chat settings, similar to how you would for a party in PS5. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.